Last call to place your bets. Set and ready to race. Race number 1, Santana Park. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Some Like It Hot from the outside. Yeltad and Benissimo Deceiving. And Crystal's Beauty. And at the mid-back stretch, it's now Crystal's Beauty in the lead, followed by Deceiving on the outside, Benissimo. And on the farther outside, Some Like It Hot. Yeltad and State of the Art is bringing up the rear. Rounding the pattern, there is still Crystal Beauty in the lead, followed by Deceiving in second. Benissimo remains in third. Some Like It Hot running in fourth on the outside. Yeltad on the farther outside. But it's still Crystal Beauty by a length. It's Crystal Beauty, followed by Deceiving on the outside. Benissimo closing in third by 3.5 lengths. Some Like It Hot on the outside. Yeltad and State of the Art. And into the home stretch, it is still Crystal Beauty, entry number 1, leading the field. Benissimo by the rail, Deceiving. Some Like It Hot on the outside. On the farther outside, it's Yeltad. But it's still Crystal Beauty in the lead, followed by Some Like It Hot. Benissimo by the rail. On the farther outside, Yeltad, Deceiving instead of the Art. And at the payoff line, it's a cinch for entry number 1, Crystal Beauty. Yeltad, Some Like It Hot, Benissimo, Deceiving, State of the Art.